Hello everyone, today we have a Bourg BME booklet system. This system has a BSF sheet feeder with a top small tray and a bottom feed cart tray. And it has the BCM module, so this will slit top and bottom for covers as well as do creasing along the fold edge. Then we have the stitcher along with a face trimmer for finished books. So we're just using our top tray, we're just loading it with some legal sized paper here. The entire system is on alignment and stability plates, that way the system is solid and stable. Over here we have the BCM, pages will come in through here. We have the top and bottom slit wheels here to cut pages if needed, and then we have the creasing drum there. In here we have the two stitching heads. These will come in, stitch the booklets. You can also do no stitching, single stitching, and so on. Down here you have the fold system for finished booklets to be folded after they're stapled. And in here you have the face trimming knife for cutting booklets when they're finished. Alright, so we got a couple things set up here. So starting with the sheet feeding system, we set the drawer size as well as thickness. We can also apply it to the high pile cart feeder if we want. And there's a couple things we can set it to. This is number mode, just feed 2 sheets. Otherwise you can set it to various different feeding of barcodes and scan codes to improve reliability. So in here, this is the BCM, so we are not doing any trimming of the top and bottom, and we are not doing any creasing. This is just pass through. On the BME side, the booklet maker side, we have our 14 8.5. One setting up the number anywhere, so the size will transmit it to all. So set up the size once and it's done. Stitches are just 5.5 apart. I've got a little bit of adjustments here for it to be perfect. And then over here, this is to adjust any of the creasing pressure and such. And we adjust the face trim. I'm just doing a 1/0 of an inch. This adjusts the conveyor output. And over here on the run, you can do a hand feed of a test booklet if you wish, or just do hand feeding. You have a couple different options for adjusting how the sheet feeder feeds the system if you need extra up or air feeding, or if you need different adjustments for that. This will adjust the BCM, the creasing module and slitting module a little bit if you need increased crease, if you need to bring in the slit wheels in or out. And you have some fine adjustments for how the booklet maker functions. You can play around with those as needed. We're just going to do a single booklet to test, and then we'll run a batch. As you can see, we got our nice booklet here, all folded, stapled, creased, cut. You need to adjust the staple a little bit, but that's all right.